Hi, I am Dr. Nicole Kolm-Valdivia, Director of Professional Programs and Interim Assistant Dean for Academic Affairs at the College of Public Health. In this video, I will be discussing the curriculum design of our Master of Public Health degree program. Our Master of Public Health program is focused on 22 foundational competencies. These foundational competencies are prescribed by our accrediting agency, the Council on Education for Public Health. These competencies can be broken down into 8 categories. The video titled Accreditation will provide you additional information about accreditation and what it means for you in the College of Public Health. Our Master of Public Health foundational competencies are mapped to our 5 core courses in MPH. All MPH students are required to take these 5 courses, and they include Foundations of Public Health, Epidemiology and Public Health, Biostatistics 1, Leadership and Advocacy, and Planning and Evaluation. Your other coursework will also cover these competencies, but we map these to our core courses for accreditation. In addition, each concentration has 5 additional concentration competencies, which are specific to the concentration. So how are the competencies linked to our curriculum? The course syllabus includes a competency map that shows the competencies covered in the course, the learning objectives mapped to those competencies, and the assignments that assess the competencies. As a student, this helps you understand that the assignments you're engaging in are directly linked to skills and knowledge that have been identified as needed for those who will be working in public health. The Master of Public Health program of study includes 15 credit hours of our core courses, as I mentioned earlier, which track to those 22 public health foundational competencies. Our MPH program of study also includes 12 to 15 hours of required courses that are specific for each concentration, 6 to 9 hours of electives, 3 credit hours of applied practice experience, and 3 credit hours of the culminating project, also known as capstone. Applied practice experience, sometimes called APEX, is typically done around halfway through the Master of Public Health program. APEX is an applied, scholarly, and mutual beneficial experience in a public health practice setting with another organization. These organizations could include governmental, non-governmental, nonprofit, for-profit, industrial, or university-affiliated settings. Each student gets to decide what their APEX experience looks like based on their own career goals, interests, and needs. Students learn more information about APEX during information sessions offered both fall and spring semesters. APEX requires a minimum of 100 contact hours with an organization and results in 2 products developed for the organization. Capstone is typically done in the final semester of the program, and it's the culminating experience that demonstrates synthesis of those foundational and concentration competencies mentioned earlier. The purpose of capstone is to contribute to the health of the population, provide students with learning and further development of competencies, as well as demonstrate that they have met the competencies in the program and are ready to enter the field of public health as a professional. The final products of capstone include a paper and a presentation. Capstone info sessions are held fall, spring, and summer. Similar to APEX, capstone is an opportunity for students to identify opportunities that meet their career goals and their interests and potentially open the door for future career opportunities. This concludes the video on the Master of Public Health degree. You can find more information on the program of study for your concentration on the college website or in the Student Success Center located in Canvas.